Hi, I'm Paul from Production Expert. In this series of videos, I'm showing you how to make a piano more interesting in a track by using Waves plugins. Now in the previous videos, we've EQ'd, we've compressed, we've added some delays. Now in this video, I'm going to add some reverb, and I'm going to use H-Reverb for this. Now I would normally drag a reverb into my sends, but as I'm only going to be affecting the piano with this, I'm just going to put it in my inserts. Right, let's have a quick listen to the track where we are. I'm just going to bypass the plugin.
We take the field, everyone's missing. You point your gun
and let's bring it in.
And take your position.
And let's bring back the dry wet mix.
Be my worst enemy. We struggle on, you tug on my feelings. Pierce my heart and you stopped it from being.
And let's solo the piano. So actually I'll be really happy with that as it is. But what I want to do is to really tune that reverb. So let's take out the delay so we can really hear the reverb. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can actually push this test button to actually hear the reverb. Now I think that sounds pretty good, but it's a little bit long for me. So let's bring back the reverb time. Let's hear that again. That sounded pretty good. I'm just going to turn up the dry wet mix a bit as well. Now let's expand this section so we get more control. I'm going to filter off the bottom end of the reverb. And let's give it a bit of character as well, and let's drive it a bit. Now that's really starting to get there. But we can really clean up the front part of the reverb by adding some pre-delay to it. So let's push the sync button, as now we can time the pre-delay to the tempo of the track. And let's change this to 64ths. Just so we can really hear the pre-delay, let's push the test button. If I turn up the pre-delay, you will hear the pre-delay more. Let's bring it back to 64ths. And let's hear that in the track again.
My feelings pierced my heart and you stopped it from beating. It's true. You took the air from me. At first we won't build, we take the field.
So the H-Reverb has really added a nice space around the piano. So as you can see, you can get quite in depth with this plugin. But for the purpose of this, I think we've got the perfect sound. Now let's bring back the delays that we did in the previous videos to hear the finished sound.
We take the field, everyone's missing. You point your gun and take your position.
I'm Paul from Production Expert. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.